In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S26 not charging to 100%. So sometimes maybe you plug in your charger and you're wondering why your phone is not getting to 100%. It's basically a feature that is in the phone that you have enabled. That's why it does not allow you to charge to 100%. So all you have to do is go to settings. Within the settings, scroll down and select battery. Tap on that and then scroll down and find the battery protection option. Select it, and all you have to do is disable this feature, and this will charge your battery up to all the way up to 100%. Now, in case you're worried that you might spoil your battery, you can simply enable this option, and then you can customize the settings so that it can allow you to charge to 100%. So the first setting is by selecting basic, which says when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95, and then the charging will start again. So with this option selected, it will allow you to charge to 100%. Now another option is this option called sleep time protection, which stops charging at 80% while you are asleep and finish charging to 100% just before you wake up. So you can enable that. And then probably you might be prompted to turn on some customization services. You can simply enable that and then agree to all the permissions. So let me just enable it. So once you enable it, your phone now will charge to 100% whenever just before you wake up. So those are the basic steps that you can choose or you can use to fix this particular issue. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.